Want to clean your home faster with less elbow grease? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best electric spin scrubbers on Amazon, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, floors, and tough grime. From powerful rotating heads to ergonomic designs and multiple brush attachments, these scrubbers make deep cleaning easier than ever. Stick around to find the one that tackles the dirtiest spots with ease, and don't forget to subscribe so you always get the best solutions for smarter home cleaning. At number 1, we have kHelfer Electric Spin Scrubber. The kHelfer Electric Spin Scrubber is designed to cut cleaning time in half with 2 adjustable spin speeds, offering a 350 RPM mode for everyday cleaning and a powerful 400 RPM mode for tackling soap scum, grout, and stubborn stains in minutes. With 8 interchangeable brushes, it delivers exceptional versatility, from dome and flat brushes for tubs, showers, and floors to corner and detail brushes for grout lines, baseboards, faucets, and tight spaces, plus sponge and scouring pads for glass and kitchen cleaning. The retractable handle extends to 3 different lengths, allowing you to clean tubs and floors comfortably without bending or kneeling, making it ideal for anyone with back or knee discomfort. An adjustable brush head adds flexibility, letting you reach awkward angles and hard-to-access areas with ease while maintaining a comfortable posture. Easy to recharge and built for long sessions, the scrubber runs up to 1.5 hours on a single charge, providing enough power for multiple full bathroom deep cleans without interruption. At number 2, we have Qimedo 1500 RPM Electric Spin Scrubber. The Q2 Pro Battery Electric Spin Scrubber delivers certified high RPM cleaning power with 3 adjustable modes at 800, 1000, and an ultra-powerful 1500 RPM max setting, using an upgraded double-bearing system for far stronger performance than standard scrubbers, while the effortless handle design reduces in-use weight by 30% for comfortable, fatigue-free cleaning. A built-in smart display shows real-time battery percentage, active power mode, low power reminders, and battery health monitoring, giving you smarter control and longer battery life than ordinary electric floor scrubbers. Designed for comfort and reach, the adjustable 50-inch telescopic handle and 45 degrees flexible brush head let you clean walls, floors, and tight spaces without bending or stretching, while the stable counter-rotating brush design keeps the scrubber steady during use. The IPX7 waterproof brush head allows full immersion for tub and tile cleaning, and the included 8-in-1 brush set, 4 soft bristle brushes and 4 replaceable cloth pads, covers over 99% of daily cleaning needs. At number 3, we have Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber. 8 versatile brush heads. Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber includes 8 replaceable cleaning brushes for various scenarios. Flat brush for surfaces like tile floor, wall, and pool. Corner brush is great for cleaning grout, faucets, edges. Cloth brush for wooden floor and furniture cleaning. The sponge is for the window. Moreover, you can even polish and wax your car with those heads. Type-C fast charging and battery level display. Thanks to the latest USB-C fast charge technology and battery level display function, you never need to worry about running out of power. It can provide 90 minutes of long-term work after only 3 hours of fast charging. 12 to 54 inches detachable and adjustable mop. Leebein shower scrubber helps you get rid of laborious household cleaning. Put the telescopic extension rod on and it will allow you to adjust the length of the spin scrubber from 12 inches up to 54 inches, which can help you clean the hard-to-reach places without bending and kneeling. Saving your back and knees by saying goodbye to the traditional clean way. At number 4, we have Sorpci Electric Spin Scrubber. This 2026 upgraded electric spin scrubber is designed to make bathroom and household cleaning faster and easier. Featuring an innovative triangular long handle, a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, and IPX7 waterproof protection to eliminate the effort of manual scrubbing. The adjustable, multifunction cleaning brush includes a detachable handle that extends from 24 to 48 inches, 3 selectable speed modes, and adjustable angles, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas comfortably, while fast Type-C charging delivers up to 180 minutes of continuous runtime. With 7 replaceable brush heads, a storage hook, and a brush head bag, it offers versatile, space-saving organization and is ideal for cleaning showers, corners, glass, tiles, kitchens, cars, furniture, windows, and more. Designed for comfort and ease of use, this ergonomic power scrubber reduces bending and fatigue, making cleaning more efficient, less tiring, and easy to share with the whole family. At number 5, we have HOTO Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. The HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber turns everyday cleaning into a time-saving, stress-free task, helping you reclaim precious moments for family and self-care, which makes it a thoughtful and heartwarming gift for occasions like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries. Powered by a robust motor delivering 2.5 Newton meters of torque at an efficient 300 RPM, it provides strong cleaning performance without damaging surfaces, while dual-speed modes let you switch between gentle daily cleaning and deep scrubbing as needed. Built for durability, its full-body IPX7 waterproof design allows safe use even when fully immersed, and the high-capacity battery delivers up to 90 to 110 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The adjustable telescoping handle extends from 37 to 51 inches, letting you clean hard-to-reach areas comfortably without bending or kneeling, making household chores easier, faster, and far more enjoyable. At number 6 we have Topmako Electric Spin Scrubber. Topmako Electric Spin Scrubber is equipped with 30 watts dual-speed powerful motor, 300-400 RPM 2 modes to quickly sweep away floating dust and easily disintegrate stubborn stains. Compared with traditional manual cleaning, it saves 70% of time, and the 50 decibels library-level silent design makes cleaning zero burden. It comes standard with 7 professional brush heads, and one machine can handle 20-plus scenes in the whole house. Adapt to different surfaces. The whole machine is IPX7 waterproof certification, and the brush head can be soaked and rinsed, and it can be used safely in wet bathroom/outdoor car washing. The long handle equipped with this electric spin scrubber can be freely adjusted to 12 to 50 inches. You can stand to clean the corners and gaps, the back of the toilet, the bottom of the sofa and other areas, avoiding 90% of bending and climbing movements. It weighs only 1 pound, even children or the elderly can use it. Its cordless design ensures unrestricted movement while cleaning, perfect for bathrooms, shower, floors, cars, etc. At number 7 we have Qimedo 6000 mAh battery cordless electric mop. This innovative 2-in-1 electric mop and scrubber delivers powerful, high RPM cleaning with 3 adjustable speed modes at 400, 600, and an ultra-strong 800 RPM max setting, driven by an upgraded double-bearing system that outperforms standard electric mops for faster, more effective results. Equipped with a certified 6000 mAh high-capacity battery using advanced 3.0 blade compression technology, it offers up to 30% more capacity than previous designs, fully charges in just 2.5 hours, and provides up to 420 minutes of continuous runtime with dual batteries in low-speed mode. The effortless handle design reduces in-use weight by 40%, while the removable 300 ml water tank and powerful spray system ensure smooth, controlled water distribution for tackling stubborn stains. A 50-inch telescopic handle with a 90 degrees adjustable brush head and built-in LED light allows you to clean dark corners, floors, and hard-to-reach areas comfortably without bending or stretching. At number 8 we have VEWIOR Electric Spin Scrubber. Tired of battling stubborn stains or spending hours scrubbing your bathroom? Fed up with back and knee pain from bending over? Say goodbye to strenuous cleaning tasks with the electric cleaning brush, designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more comfortable. 2 adjustable speeds and IPX6 waterproof cleaning routine with this spin brush. Effortlessly navigate through every nook and cranny of your home, equipped with 2 speeds, catering to various cleaning needs. Low speed, 450 RPM per minute, perfect for gentle scrubbing on delicate surfaces. When faced with stubborn stains on tiles or countertops, switch to the high speed, 550 RPM per minute for a more aggressive and rapid clean. All it takes is press the on/off button to toggle these speeds. The bathtub scrubber is IPX6 waterproof, but bathroom cleaning brushes not be immersed in water, as this waterproof feature ensures durability and easy maintenance, making you as convenient as it is effective. At number 9 we have Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber. Struggle with those stubborn stains, soap scum, and grout that are hard to clean in your bathroom? Don't worry, Leebein YMG 820 Electric Spin Scrubber specializes in deep cleaning of mold and dirt in the shower and bathroom, especially for bathtubs, sinks, tiles, and grout, as well as for floors, walls, kitchen, and glass. Leebein YMG 820 Spin Scrubber has 2 adjustable spin speeds, 350 RPM/450 RMP, 4 adjustable angles, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 150, 180 degrees, which makes it perfect for tackling tough cleaning tasks in your bathroom, bathtub, stone tile floors, grout, grooves, and toilets. The one and only remote control cordless cleaning brush in the market allows you to adjust the speed or turn the machine on/off without bending or kneeling, saving your knees and back. Besides, you can also control the machine with a controller on the short handle. Adapted upgraded 2500 mAh 2 battery and USB-C fast charge tech, Leebein Electric Bathroom Scrubber fully charges in 2.5 hours, which lasts 60 to 90 minutes, far enough to clean your entire house. At number 10 we have Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning tools and let this new generation electric spin scrubber transform the way you clean your home, combining user feedback from across the internet with expert design insights to create an ergonomic, high-performance solution. Powered by advanced chip technology and a high-capacity 5,000 mAh battery, it fully charges in just 2 to 3 hours and delivers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Designed for comfort and convenience, the cordless scrubber features 3 adjustable lengths, 12, 43, and 54 inches, allowing you to clean every corner of your home without bending or kneeling, making it especially friendly for seniors and anyone with back or joint discomfort. With dual-speed operation at 300 RPM for everyday cleaning and 400 RPM for deep scrubbing, this electric spin scrubber delivers efficient, time-saving performance that replaces manual effort with powerful, effortless cleaning.